Did you know that swapping ultra-processed foods for less processed alternatives could nearly double your weight loss? Scientists are now revealing how the way food is made can dramatically influence your ability to shed pounds and even your overall health. But here's where it gets controversial. If two diets are nutritionally equal, does the level of processing still matter for weight and well-being? This was the central question tackled by Dr. Sam Dicken, a researcher at University College London, in a groundbreaking study published in Nature. The results were eye-opening. People following a diet rich in minimally processed foods, MPFs, lost twice as much weight as those on ultra-processed foods, UPFs, even when both met government dietary guidelines. This challenges long-held assumptions about the role of food processing in health. In the UK, over half our daily calories come from UPFs, ready meals, breakfast cereals, and mass-produced bread. These foods are linked to more than 30 chronic conditions, including obesity, diabetes, and stroke. Historically, research has focused on UPFs high in sugar, salt, and fat. But this study is different. It examines healthy UPFs that still meet nutritional standards for fat, protein, fiber, and more. Dr. Dicken explains, not all UPFs are bad. Supermarkets now offer nutritionally balanced options, like whole grain cereals and high-fiber meals. The controversy lies in how these foods affect our behavior. Even healthier UPFs can trap us in unhealthy patterns. Rob Hobson, a nutritionist, notes, it's not just about additives or calories. It's how food is made and how that shapes our eating habits. Reducing reliance on UPFs, even clean ones, can boost weight management and long-term health. But cutting all UPFs is unrealistic. Here's where the real power lies. Smart swaps. Swap sugary breakfast cereals for overnight oats with fruit. Many cereals, even those labeled whole grain, are packed with sugar and low in fiber, leaving you hungry quickly. Oats, on the other hand, provide slow-release energy, helping control blood sugar and keep you full longer. The UCL study found that eating oats can reduce body fat and regulate appetite. Try this recipe. Mix rolled oats with milk and apple juice, add chia seeds and fruit, and refrigerate overnight. Swap a pre-packaged chicken sandwich for homemade flatbread with grilled chicken and salad. While healthy-sounding fillings like chicken can be high in saturated fat, ready meals often use ultra-processed bread that encourages faster eating. A cell metabolism study found people on UPF diets ate 50% more calories per minute. Homemade flatbread, with its structured meal design, promotes slower eating and greater satisfaction. Fill a wholemeal bread with grilled chicken, veggies, and yogurt-based dressing for a satisfying alternative. Swap a ready-made spaghetti bolognese for a homemade version. Processed meat in ready meals is often higher in fat and calories, making it easier to overeat. A homemade dish with lean mince, lentils, and whole wheat pasta boosts fiber and protein, helping you feel fuller. A Harvard study found that whole nuts, not processed bars, are linked to lower weight gain. Swap a nut bar for a handful of unsalted almonds and a piece of fruit for a healthier, more filling option. The UPF versus MPF trial. So what can we learn? Nutritional guidelines work, but processing still matters. Less processed foods are more filling, slower to eat, and harder to overconsume. As Dr. Dicken puts it, processing makes food moreish. It's engineered to be energy-dense and soft, making it easier to eat quickly. By contrast, MPFs are bulkier and fiber-rich, helping you resist cravings. The takeaway? Prioritize whole foods, check labels, and don't shy away from asking for help if weight loss feels overwhelming. After all, health isn't just about numbers. It's about feeling satisfied, energized, and in control. What's your take? Are we really ready to rethink our relationship with processed foods?